What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you guys that I have just started building my position in, and this stock is a high-powered growth stock, and right now it is a steal of a deal, and it's pretty much dirt cheap. It's pretty much at the bottom prices that you could get into and build the hype up. And a lot of people on my Patreon page have started also to get into this because I have recommended this pretty heavily since last week, and we are going to dive into this stock. I'm going to go over all their financials, what you can expect, the charts, the analysis, everything you need to know about this company to build your position in, where to target your buys, where to target your sells, because we are going to swing this stock, and it is a high-powered growth stock, and there's a lot of backing behind it. And of course, this stock is none other than Nano-X Imaging, ticker symbol Nnox. And I am extremely hyped about this stock. I'm not joking. I think the stock is about to take off, and it could explode any day, any moment. So this has a lot of power behind it, and there's a lot of good valuation about this company. Now, this company provides medical imaging. I'm going to go over that very briefly in this video. And it's also about to get some FDA approval. They already are processing it, and they're really recently going to be getting some news from the FDA because they already done all their forms and 10Ks and everything, and they already submitted to the FDA. So any approval from FDA could be coming anytime soon. And this stock, when it hypes, it just shoots up like a rocket. So I am extremely bullish on this stock. I really like it. Right now it's absolutely dirt cheap. It's pretty much hit rock bottom, and it is a great time to get in. So anyways, guys, let's not waste any more time. Let's make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe, and check out my Patreon page. We are building some crazy stocks, and we're building some group together. So if you guys want to join that, make sure to check that out. Anyways, guys, let's waste no further time. Let's begin. Yeah. Guys, let's not waste any time. This is Nano-X Investors page, and if you guys want to check it out, I highly recommend it to see all their filings. They did not do very well at all in earnings. They did not beat it. They failed. Well, it's also a new company as well. They just went IPO in 2020. So their financial isn't very strong, but they are under the process of getting their technology under the way. They're going to be passing it along, and I have a lot of hope in this company. I'm in the medical field, and I think X-ray imaging is very expensive, and what they're bringing to the market is a cheaper version of the X-ray imaging, and going under these X-ray machines is too complicated and is very, very expensive. And what they're going to do is make it a lot cheaper, a lot hopefully safer is what they're also saying, and they're making it portable. So there's a lot more going to do with this company, and of course the FDA coming along would really boost up their stock like crazy. But anyways, guys, I don't want to waste too much time on this stock. I want to go right into its charts. Let's go. Let's check out Nano-X. Ticker symbol is Nnox. And what I really like about this company is that it is an extremely high-powered growth stock, because once it takes off, right, it just starts shooting up and up, right? They just went IPO 2020, and they just keep on riding, right? And of course, every stock, once it goes up really quickly, it starts crashing down really quickly. But of course, this crash was mainly due to the technology crash we've been going the past 2-3 weeks right now. Anyways, guys, but this is a perfect opportunity to get in. It just actually went bullish yesterday on the 5-day moving average, and that's what really intrigued me into getting into this company, that it finally moved into the 5-day moving average, which is your blue line right here. And that was very bullish. It died. It broke the blue line. It broke the 5-day moving average, and the stock just shot right back up. And that's usually pretty bullish when a stock breaks the 5-day moving average and it shoots right back into it. That's very bullish. That is, sometimes you can call it super bullish right here. And of course, the RSI is relatively pretty much bottomed out, and that's what I like it. And this stock has been trading its bottoms very, very well, and its highs, all right? It's just been doing it very, very well. Right, so this is a lot of support here. We have a lot of support into this $40 range, and I think we are about to go a little bit sideways for a few days, maybe even sooner. It just could shoot up anytime, and MACD is really close to crossing over, which is fantastic. TSI is about to cross over. That's also great news. And what I really like is that we have an uptrend on the histogram, right? This is great because as you guys can see, histogram was going sideways, and finally it started getting bullish, and it started getting smaller and smaller, and it's about to cross over and go up. And usually this is a very bullish signal. Once this starts moving up, the histogram flips over, it's a bullish signal. We're getting a lot of bullish signal. As you guys can see, histogram was down here, and that's right here. And finally, it crossed over, and we got a super bullish histogram. So pretty much, there's a lot of good news coming with this company. FDA approval is right around the corner. Now, where's a good time to start buying? I think right now is perfect time. I think anywhere below $45 is very good. It's relatively, I can't guarantee that it's safe, but it's a lot better than getting it above $45, of course. So if you can get it right now around 40 to 45, that's even more perfect. It's pretty much this is like the bottomed out, right? It's been like this trading around the 40 to 45 several times before the stock just breaks out. And of course, I believe the stock will break out very soon. The first target where I think is a good time to start selling and taking some profits might be around 55 plus, even 56 would be the first target. But I go relatively based on the RSI, and I'm waiting for somewhere here, right? I want 70 plus RSI. This is where I want to sell, around 70 plus RSI. That is my first target sell. I take 25% of my shares and I sell them. That's it, right? It hits 70 plus RSI, I'm out. 25% gone, all right? The next target sell is when I see it reaching a pretty high top and it's not moving. It's starting to move back down. There goes another 25-50%. So the next target is going to be around your 70 plus, all right? 70 plus is the second target zone for me to start selling more of my shares. Somewhere around between 25 to 50% is where I'm going to be selling. Starting to sell is around $70. I'm going to get rid of another 25% shares. And once it goes around 88 plus to $90, I am going to get out at least another majority of my shares. I'm only going to be carrying 15 to 25% maximum of my shares left once it hits around $88 to $90, because that's just being too greedy. Holding too many shares or above here is just greedy, and if I see it start downtrending really quickly, I'm just gonna sell everything out, right? So as you can see, downtrends are pretty harsh, so you want to get out as soon as that happens. So you can't hold this stock for long term. You can do that if you like, but that's not me. I like to swing stocks like this. This is definitely a stock that I was going to be swinging. I've been wanting to get into this stock several times, but every time I was about to get in, it just took off, right? Around 40 to 45 was like the zone that I wanted to get in, and the second I was about to go buy within like a day, it just took off, and I'm like, okay, I'm not messing around with trades that just take off before I can build a position in. So this is a very bullish chart to me. It is going to be trading maybe sideways for another few days, but I think it already started trading upwards. After hours already started taking off, and this is very bullish too, right? And the market has finally ended its market correction, and I believe tech stocks are going to finally start moving. We might have another pullback in a day or two, but if that doesn't happen, that makes very, very bullish for techs. We're going to be uptrending from here. So I'm very excited. Finally, tech stopped dying. And a lot of stocks that I usually enjoy swinging are tech stocks because these are our high-powered growth stocks. They move very quickly in both up and down directions. So that's what's the best part. You just have to trade volatility in these tech stocks. And right now, volatility was in the downtrend, and finally, it's starting to move sideways. And as you can see, within like 2, 3, 4 days max, this stock just takes off. It just starts to take off, boom, 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 boom. And it's just become super bullish. And you're going to miss the boat on this because the stock is very high-powered growth stock. It just really takes off really quickly. And because it's already trading in above the 5-day moving average, as we can see, that's already a very good sign. And if we check out the 20-day moving average, it has plenty of space to get back into. So that's something you need to consider. Make sure you do that. But already, like I said, from these charts that I like, MACD is about to cross over. That's the most important thing. So is the TSI, and of course, I need histogram to convert to the other side and flip. And once this happens, this will be a extremely bullish, super bullish signal. So if you want to start adding shares with me here, I've already started adding shares below $40. I thought it was fantastic price and zone to get in, and hopefully we could start selling some around 55 plus, and the next target is going to be, of course, around 70 plus, and final targets where I see the stock going is around 87 to 90 plus. So that's our 3 zones. We can start unloading shares and then getting out. Maybe you want to get it all out at once. That's up to you. I always set targets, and of course 70 RSI is my #1 target of getting out. All right, if this stock just takes off and hits 70 RSI, I start unloading 25% shares immediately. All right, there's no point of being greedy. Take your shares, take your gains, and enjoy it. So anyways, guys, if you guys want to join me, check that out. This stock, if you guys also like selling call options, is crazy. If you want, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to sell call options on this stock, because the premiums on this is absolutely insane. Quickly go over selling calls. All right, make sure you guys always click on sell call, and I only like to do weekly options, but this stock is very intriguing. Look, they're paying a lot of money for these premiums for you to sell your calls, right? Like, let's say $42, they're paying you around $100 just for a premium to sell it, and it might not even hit there within a week, right? So that's crazy. And if you guys know, the first target, like I mentioned here, is, of course, we're going for the 55. So if we're going to go for 55, you won't get a lot for this week. It's only 15 bucks. But if you plan on doing it for next week, the $55 area, the premium is still pretty good. It's around $83. That is insane. Look at that. That's like you're getting $100 for a stock that has to move up $15. That is a crazy premium. All right, imagine selling it 2 weeks out, $55, which I wouldn't recommend doing that. That's just too much. It's $153. That's $1.53 per share that you are getting for a first $55 target. That's crazy. The premiums on this is absolutely insane. All right, so make sure you guys don't mess up when you're selling a call. You make sure you click on sell call, okay? And also, guys, remember, selling calls and doing any kind of options is absolutely high risk, right? I want to make sure you guys understand that when you do options, you're taking high risk. So what does that mean? Let's say it just all of a sudden they get that FDA approval and it explodes and it goes above 55 and it goes to like 70 plus. Guess what? You will only get paid $55 by the week that you sold this call on, right? You will not get $70 because the stock is trading at $70. You will only get $55, and the guy just made $15 extra on top of you, just paying you $55 per share, all right? So make sure you guys do take that risk assessment when you do options. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube can alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I try to post any trade I do buy or sell. I do try to post that on Instagram, but most of the time it's going to be on my Patreon page. So a lot of that is going to be there if you really want to get all the moves we make together. Check out my Patreon page. And also, guys, make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you guys are interested in buying, or if you have any questions regarding Nano-X, let me know in this comment section below. And while you have some time, make sure to check out WeBull. Right now they have a promotion where they are giving 4 free stocks, 2 when you sign up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 2 free stocks with a minimum value of $8 all the way up to $1. $1,850 right now. So check the link in the description box below. If you want another free stock, of course, we have FirstTrade. They give really, really good stocks. Really check that one out. And of course, you want another free stock, Robinhood gives out decent stocks here and there. So check out Robinhood. All those links can be found in the description box. Check out my Patreon page. Link in the description box for that one as well. Thanks again for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.